Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm here to show you where to get an item that will greatly boost your fist fighting ability. So if you've decided to start with a character like a Khajiit that gets a boost to their unarmed strikes because they have claws, you might want to go down the route of a fighter. And one of the best ways to get a boost to your fighting skills is just outside of the arena inside of the Imperial City. Now, a lot of people will recommend that you go into the arena and go through the fighting because it's a great boost to your skills and you get a fair bit of money to start out with. But one of the things that you can do to really boost your abilities is over here, where you've got these people usually sparring. Or normally they're sparring. Maybe I'm a little too early in the day. They're just getting ready. Here we go. So these two are usually sparring over here. And in this box, this locked box right here, is a very OP item that makes it super easy to be a fighter early on in the game. And to steal it, all you have to do is stay out of line of sight of those two, crouch over here so you can kind of see that crate, and then hit E. And this is a very hard lock, so it might take you a couple rounds. So maybe save just before this so you don't run out of lockpicks. And then inside of here are the Bands of Kwang Lao, which give a Fortify hand-to-hand on self of 20 points, which is a lot. Like, you can't really do better than that. There's also a Manual of Armor, Arms, Tactics, and Songs of Horrormere in here as well, which you might as well just grab since you went through the trouble of lockpicking that in the first place. And so with that, once you go ahead and equip that new item, they're just like some really fancy bracers here that look kind of stylish and well maintained despite being abandoned in a difficult level lockbox that will boost your skills significantly. So you can go punch the daylights out of just about anybody. And for me, that puts my unarmed at a 71. So yeah, that's a pretty significant boost. So yeah, that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to get the Bands of Kwang Lao inside of Oblivion Remastered, which gives you a big boost to your unarmed combat ability. Not really much in the way of armor, just one armor, but that's not the point here. So for this one, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.